Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel, and today also we have got to another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and get logged into your Bluecat account. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will start our video. So if you want to do so, first of all go to your mobile phone and open your phone's browser. Once you open it up, go to search bar and type in bluecat.com, or simply go ahead and search it up, and then you will simply be able to land in this kind of interface, right? So what you will do is, you can see the login option given above. Simply go ahead, tap on that option, and now you will be able to this kind of interface. So in case if your account is connected with your Google, you can simply go ahead, tap on this login with Google right there. You will simply be able to get logged in that way as well. So but if it's not, then you can go ahead, type in your username or email that is connected with your account as well, and then you will go to this password option, add in your password of your account. Simply tap on this let's go, and you will be able to get back to your account like that. So in case you are confused with your password, if you have forgotten, then you can simply go ahead, tap on this forgot password right there and reset your password, and again enter it. You will be able to get back to your account like that. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching our video till the end, and yeah, I will see you guys next time.